Hey guys, welcome back to Tyria's Kitchen. So today I'm going to be making some homemade burgers, and I'm just going to be using some beef mince, and I'll be using my hamburger press to shape them. And thank you for watching guys. Please like, comment and subscribe and just see what I'm going to do next. So for your first step, you're going to put in an egg just to help it bind, and you're just going to throw in all your spices. This is literally a simple recipe. So I've just put in some paprika. I'm going to put in some all-purpose seasoning, and I'm going to put in some beef seasoning. I'm not going to add any salt because this will have enough salt in it. And all you're going to do is mix that in. Just make sure you mix that in thoroughly. Okay, and then the next thing you're going to do is to add some lemon. Just for freshness, you add some garlic and some ginger, and the next thing you're going to add is Worcestershire sauce. This is the hero for this dish because it's really nice. And I'm going to add spring onions for that added taste, and some sweet onion relish. Probably you can tell I love onions, guys. So after you've done that, you're going to mix everything in, and then after you've done that, you just have to get your hands dirty, like get your hands in there to make sure everything is fully mixed in. And as you can see, it's all like one thing now. And then I'm just going to put it in my hamburger press. And remember guys, raw meat is for the red ward. Okay, so I'm just smoothing that over so that my shape comes out nice. But what I'm going to do first is just put a tester burger. So to be fair, I should have used a smaller mix for this just to see if it comes out, but it was only for 2 people. So make sure you do a tester burger first, because if it doesn't come out and you've put everything in, then that's going to be a problem. So I'm going to be using my portable, I call it a portable grill, but it is like a fat reducing grill that you can get at Argos for like, I think it's £20. And you can get those charcoal marks on there. So yeah, I've tested it mainly for the seasoning, and now that you've done your tester burger, you can go ahead. Okay, so that one came out perfectly, and then I've just put it in, and this grill is really good guys. Literally, I put it in seven minutes. I'd say 8 minutes, and it was cooked like fully well done, because remember I like well done meat. So obviously you put it at a 90-degree angle, or I'd say 9 o'clock or something like that. And then I've just added in some virgin oil just for it to stay moist. And yeah, okay, so I've added some of the Nando's sauce. Okay, this sauce goes with everything guys, that's why I'm always using it every time. And then I'm just pressing that in, and I'm just going to show you how I plated this. I just put some cheese on top, and then I melted it in the grill, in the grill again, and this is how it came out. So now I'm just like topping up the burger, and I'm just going to let the music play whilst you watch me do this part. Thanks for watching.